Vivex arrives at the factory in a raw material form. Vivex is a unique synthetic composition made up of ground marble powder for strength, latex composite for durability, bonded together with the adhesive adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate is used primarily in outdoor applications and has been tested to temperatures that exceed 130 degrees Fahrenheit and as low as -20 Fahrenheit. This material is also both fire retardant and biodegradable. Maxim Lighting has over 175 fixtures made with Vivex. A factory worker selects the correct die depending on the fixture being made and places it into the injection mold machine. Unlike resin, which is cast into inexpensive plaster molds, Vivex is injected under pressure into expensive steel molds, which produces a very hard and dense component. Another added benefit to injection molding is the quality of the detail of the part. The parts come out of the mold with very crisp lines and intricate detail not formerly obtainable from resin casting. Here you see an arm of a Vivex fixture along with the steel die that it was molded from. This metal tooling was a major investment on behalf of Maxim Lighting. The total costs for research and development and tooling costs exceed $2 million and will continue to grow as the Vivex line is expanded to more fixtures. Here you see a part of a Vivex fixture's body along with the steel die it was molded from. Vivex parts are staged and inspected prior to the next stage of cleaning and painting. Another quality of Vivex is its strength. Vivex has over twice the strength of resin. What this means is there are fewer problems with shipping this material and a lot fewer problems with electricians mishandling the product and creating chips that can't be repaired. Prior to painting, each Vivex part goes through a chemical water cleaning process. Vivex has neutral pH of 6.5 and requires no neutralizing process prior to finishing. To maintain the integrity of Vivex, Maxim Lighting has taken over the entire production process at the factory where Vivex is produced. Maxim Lighting has our own employees monitoring every step to make sure this product is manufactured to the strict production standards developed for Vivex. Painting begins with an initial base coat. A special paint finishing process was developed for Vivex. This process was a joint effort between the material manufacturer, the paint manufacturer, and Maxim Lighting. Workers paint each Vivex part by hand to ensure uniqueness among all parts. The paint received the highest grade for UV deterioration and surface hardness, which is 5 out of 5. Once painting has been completed, a sealant is applied to each Vivex part. The combination of the base coat, detail paint, and the sealant result in superior adhesion. The finish was tested by SGS Laboratories for 300 hours, which is equivalent to over 3 years' exposure. After sealant is applied, product begins a 36-hour curing period prior to final assembly, testing, and packaging. Beauty that lasts. Exclusively from Maxim Lighting, Vivex, the new standard in outdoor lighting, boasts a winning combination of innovation, intricate design capabilities, quality construction, and astonishing finishes. Combined, these elements create outdoor fixtures that are non-corrosive, UV resistant, and backed by a 3-year limited warranty.